Okay, this is part 2 of sharpening the Dewalt chisel.
Okay, so as you can see, I just set this chisel up in my Veritas honing guide, and I'm going to try to do just a micro bevel. This chisel has a perfectly flat back that we did in the last video, and Dewalt obviously put a 25-degree bevel on this. I just want to put a micro bevel on the edge. You don't really have to sharpen the whole bevel. The cutting edge is all that matters, and that's just this little area right here. So what I'm going to do is try to put a little micro bevel right here at the end. So let's see what we get. Now with this Veritas honing guide, sometimes its idea of 25 degrees and DeWalt's idea of 25 degrees could be different, and sometimes it hits up here at the top. If that happens, you either have to adjust or you got to grind away that little bit of material. I don't want to grind away anything, so I'm hoping this hits at the bottom. So let's take a look and see what we're getting. And I do apologize, I have the squeakiest honing guide on the planet. Okay, and unfortunately we are hitting up here at the top. All right, I'm going to run this for a little bit and see how long it takes to wear it away.
Okay, that actually didn't take that long. It took about 6 minutes, and I have the bevel on the chisel now is set to 25 degrees according to Veritas's guide. So anytime I put this chisel back in this guide now, it will be set correctly. So I'm going to quickly speed it up here and go through the rest of the stones just to give it a polish for the bevel I ground. So I'll speed you through that. Okay, I now have a nice shiny bevel all the way through my 8000 stone. I'm trying to show you there. You can see it's kind of glimmering at you. That actually is a fairly sharp chisel right now. There was a burr on the back, but I want to put a micro bevel on here. So I'm going back to the 5000 grit stone, and I'm going to make the adjustment on the Veritas guide. I'm pointing to it right now. I did my hand turn there. You give this knob 1 click for 1 degree or 2 clicks for 2 degrees, and that gives you a 2-degree secondary bevel. So it just magically has the chisel moved in the guide now, and we'll get a nice secondary bevel. And this does not take that long. I think I'm going to do 25 or 50 swipes really quick here. Let's see how that goes. There you go, and after 50 swipes on the 5000 grit, we have a nice secondary bevel. I don't think the camera's picking it up, unfortunately. Let's see. There you go, you can see it there now. We have, see that right at the end, we have a little secondary bevel. I am going to now go to the 8000 grit and then the strop, and this chisel will be sharp. Okay, same thing on the 8000 grit stone. One thing I want to note here, you see I'm wiping the wheel on the guide. You should do that every time you change grits so you don't contaminate the wheel and the stones, getting the wrong grit on the other stones. Now I'm checking at it, and it looks really good to me. I'm going to try to show you again, and camera failed. It's hard to get a chisel that's that reflective for the camera to pick up. But let's go to the strop and finish this off. Quickly before we go to the strop, one more thing. We want to do a little swiping on the back to clean the burr up, which I'm doing right here now. Just a little bit on the 8000 stone to clean that burr up. Okay, now we go to the strop, put a little of the green compound on, and Here, obviously, we can't rock backwards and forth because the blade will rip that leather strap to hell. So you just pull backwards, pick up, lean forward, pull backwards. I think I did this 20 times, and at the end, you're going to see a very, very sharp chisel. Okay, the camera's trying here. It's not doing very well. I'll take a picture and show it to you. Here you go. You can see there is the secondary bevel. Okay, you don't want to buy that Veritas honing guide. I don't blame you. It's expensive. Let's freehand one. I flatten the back on all four of these chisels, and I'm going to do all four of the bevels. Right now, I have the 1 inch. The back is flat, and I'm just taking it right to the stone, the 5000 stone, putting the bevel flat to the stone, rocking forward a couple of degrees, and pulling backwards. Now, I like to do this just pulling backwards because I'll be honest, since my neck problems, I don't have the steadiest hands in the world, and I really get a little loopy if I go forward and backwards. I kind of round the bevel over, which is not good. So I can do this by pulling backwards. It takes a little longer. You know, if your hands are steady and you practice, you can definitely do this forward and back, which, you know, obviously will speed your time up. But what I'm trying to do here, I don't know if you notice, you see my upper body, my arms are all in conjunction there, and I'm just rocking backwards, trying to hold the chisel level at the same degree. And this obviously is much slower than in the guide, where I was moving back and forth very quickly because I was able to hold it in a perfect position. But over time, we will get there, and then I'll go to the 8000 and the strop. I'll speed this up through to the strop so that you can see that as well, because it's repetitive from here. One more thing before I speed up, you're going to see here in a second, I do start going backwards and forwards. And, you know, I do it very slow, and I'm not rocking as well as I should be. I'm using my elbows to move there, and that's not good. You should be more in a rigid motion. This is a perfect example of how not to do this. And I'll be honest, I use a guide because of that. This is working. I'm going to take it slow, and I will get the bevel here, and this will work. You see, I'm trying to use my body now, my upper body, and I'm pulling back, and we'll start going back and forth again in a minute. Okay, same routine with the 8000 grit stone. And this does not take much. I think I give it one cycle, about 20-25 strokes back and forth. I am going well there now. You see, I've got the body rocking. That's how we want it. We want the body rocking and everything held in the same plane. And I'm looking down there, and I think I'm pretty much satisfied and ready to go to this drop. Okay, one thing I did forget to tell you before I left the 8000 stone, I did flip the chisel over and clean up the burr on the back like I did with the first chisel. So now here on the strop, again, it's about 15 or 20 strokes, just pulling, getting the bevel set and just pulling it back. 15 or 20 strokes gives you a very, very nice polished secondary bevel, as you can see right there.
Okay, everybody, that's the end of part 2 of this 3-part series on the Dewalt chisels. In the first video, we flattened the backs. In the second video today, we did the bevels. Tomorrow, I'm going to go over the chisels themselves. Now that they're sharp, I'll let you know, do I like them? How do they work? How long does the edge last? And do I recommend them? So that will be tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow where we talk about the Dewalts.